In this video, I want to show you how to pay on Hostinger using cryptocurrency. So if you want to pay on Hostinger, Hostinger is one of those platforms that allows you to pay using cryptocurrency. And there are a lot of reasons why you might need to use cryptocurrency. So for instance, you don't want to use your actual card on this website, or you don't want to, your card doesn't work, especially if you are from Nigeria and other parts of the world. You might struggle to pay with your regular card. However, on Hostinger, you can pay using cryptocurrency, which I personally find quite convenient. So for you to use cryptocurrency, first you need to have selected the cryptocurrency you want to use, and you need to have that cryptocurrency ready in your wallet. So I already have the crypto I want to use, and I want to buy a domain to do this video. So you can use it for your hosting or whatever you want to pay Hostinger for. And if you want to register on Hostinger, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video, and if you use that link, you'll be getting around 50% discount for your first purchase. So first, I've been using Hostinger for a while, and I just want to buy a domain for this video, and I already have a card here. So what Hostinger does is that first they want you to use a card, but if you don't want to use a card, you can come here, you click on edit, and you want to choose other types of payment options. So again, from here you can pay using your PayPal, and you can pay using Google Pay and other cards. But again, you have other ways to pay. So you click on others, and then you can select these are cryptocurrencies. You can pay through Alipay too. So you click on cryptocurrencies, and you want to select the type of cryptocurrency that you want to pay. So as you can see, you have to read these things. You're about to use cryptocurrency, blah blah blah. You agree, and then you click on continue. So from here you can pay directly with crypto using CoinGate. You can pay with CoinGate Balance. You can pay using Binance Pay, and then these are other cryptocurrency. You can pay using Bitcoin via Lightning. You can pay using Ethereum. You can pay using Litecoin, SRP, Dogecoin, Dia, Tron, Tether, and BNB, Polygon, Cardano, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin Cash, USDC, Avalanche, and a whole lot of them. So I usually prefer to pay with Litecoin because the fee for Litecoin is usually smaller. So I'm going to click on continue. So you basically just select the coin you want to use. So this is powered by CoinGate, so you are secured. So you click on continue again. You need to provide an email address so that they can send you a transaction receipt. And from here now you have to make these payments within 20 minutes. So like I said, you already need to have this in your wallet, the cryptocurrency you have in your wallet, and you just need to send the address generated. You need to copy this address, and you need to send this equivalent of coins to it. So I already have this in my mobile app, so I'm just going to proceed to do this transaction. Alternatively, you can use a scan, and you can come here, scan and send. However, let me just copy this and pay. Of course, again, you can pay in the wallet, or you can use a QR code. If you click on the QR code, it's going to generate this code. In fact, let me just try to pay using this QR code. So scanning is much easier. I have scanned, and all I have to do is click on next, and then this should confirm. So I click on this, and I want to authenticate. So we are just going to give it some time and see if it's going to reflect immediately. So as you can see, it has picked up this transaction, and it's rolling. Is basically trying to confirm the payment. It says here we've detected your transaction based on the current network load. Confirmation can take approximately 10 minutes. So there is nothing else you need to do. You may close this window. So our payment has been paid and confirmed, and now we can return to the merchant page. So this is basically how you pay on Hostinger using cryptocurrency. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. My name is Goodnoel. I'll see you in my next video.